guys, welcome back to nextbest.com. We are here to talk about Bigg Boss 10. Well, yesterday was nomination special episode, but what was shocking was Manu's eviction. Not eviction, but he had to leave the house for several reasons. So we have with us Arushi is going to tell us what exactly happened and why he left the show.
So that's a sad news for Manoj Punjabi, since his mother has passed away and he has to perform her last rites. So he had to exit, but Bigg Boss didn't inform him about it when he was in the house. They just told him that he has to walk out of the house for some personal reasons, and he even told Manveer and Mona Lisa the same thing. But Manveer, being a very good friend of Manoj Punjabi, was not ready to accept that his friend is going to leave the house. He gets very emotional and he tells him that don't play such pranks with me, right. It's not good. But since Manoj Punjabi don't have any other option, he has to leave the house. But don't get disappointed, he'll definitely come back to the show as confirmed by his girlfriend only.
What will be interesting is to see that what Manveer and Mona Lisa are gonna do after Manoj, who's been guiding them all through the game. Now they have to stand up for their own self. So would they be able to do that or not? That's something interesting to see. However, the exit of Manu was blamed upon Priyanka Jagga, who came back with an motive of separating this group and divide and rule basically. Yesterday was also nominations. 7 nominations. Oh
yeah, there are 10 contestants in the Bigg Boss house and 7 people are nominated. But I think after a long time, people have got a chance to go behind the doors and nominate the one who they actually want to nominate. Like they can vote for their foes in the house after such a long time, because until now they were doing nomination tasks. There was this open nomination, so they were being politically correct while nominating each other. So this time they had this chance to nominate anybody they wish to. And this went out to give us 7 contestants who were nominated.
That was surprising. And what also surprising is that Bani is the most targeted girl in the house. I mean, which is very surprising because we thought that being a celebrity, she was being good towards them. But apparently most of the celebrity, nominated her for being rude and having no reasons at all and stuff like that. So was it surprising for you in any way?
It was not that surprising, because we have been seeing that even Rahul Dev got miffed with her when they were in the lockup, and then we saw Rohan. Rohan lost his cool when he saw that Bani didn't share her birthday cake. Like the birthday cake was a big thing for Rohan, and then it is fine. It is justified for the contestants because they don't like her, and she has been like that since first day of the show. So I think, but most surprising was Sahil getting more number of votes. But he has just come in the house.
That, I think the comeback of Swami Om is something we should not miss mentioning here. और स्वामी ओम घर में फिर से आए हैं और पता नहीं क्यों आए हैं. That's what even the contestants are thinking, that how many times will he go back and come back. So I don't know what he has in store. He's been telling about that people want to see me in the show. They would not watch the show if I leave. So that's the reason why Bigg Boss is, getting him back
and
again.
Don't
and
miss that he has come back for his daughter Priyanka Jagga. He once again tells her that I am back here only for you, and I have told Bigg Boss that no one will nominate you. So let's see what will happen next, because today the contestants will be fighting for the luxury budget task, and we'll see Swami Om getting filthy and indecent in the house. Stay tuned and catch up the Bigg Boss.